YouTube, my name is Maya, and today I want to show you how to complete your acknowledgements and jurats as a notary public signing agent. Let's jump right in. So here we have a California acknowledgement. I got this on the nationalnotary.org website. As a member, you get free access to this. Once you have the free access, you can download it in PDF form to your computer. You don't have to remain a member for every single year of your life. That's totally fine, but it is a free resource that you get as a member. So the first place you want to start is here in the county, and everything I put into my acknowledgement today is going to be fictional. So for county, I'm going to pretend that I live in Los Angeles.
We're going to complete our county here.
All right, today's date is November the 9th. So on my acknowledgement, I do write out the month of the year in letter format. All right, letter format. So November 9, 2021. Who do I want to be today, guys? Who do I want to be?
I'm going to be Maya. You have to speak it into existence, okay? You do have to write in notary public.
And just a hint, some acknowledgements will have the comma notary public. You do not have to write it in that case. In that case, you're just writing your name, but you do have to take note on whether that particular acknowledgement pre-prints the words notary public for you. Personally appeared. Sorry guys, it's really tough writing in legible handwriting around this camera, so please bear with me. And then what I like to do if I have a single signer is add a line indicating that that is the end of my entry. My lines come out much nicer than this. My OCD is killing me here. And then again, because she's our only signer, I fill this lower line in as well. So what that means is no one can come behind me and add a person's name who was not present in front of me. I have not left them any room to do so. If they tried to add it, it would look... Now we want to take special notice of this lower paragraph. So with a single signer, you'll notice that there is plural verbiage and singular verbiage. If we know that Jane Doe is the only signer here, then we're going to knock out all plural verbiage. So first and foremost, everything that has an S, just a simple strike through. I usually complete this whole clause at the same time. I will strike that S, I will circle is, and I will strike R. So pause. Pause for the cause. If you are getting insane value from watching this short video, go ahead and hit that like button real quick. Did you do it? Okay, let's resume. So it becomes super clear who we're talking about. One person is. We're gonna come here to his, her, or their. We're gonna circle her, cross out his, cross out their. Simple. There are 4 sections that require circles. Okay, guys? So circle she, strike he, strike they. So today we're meeting with Jane and John Doe. All right? So personally appeared Jane Doe and John Doe. And I'm doing that same process of striking everything around it. I don't want any room for anything to be added here. I like multiple signers because what this means is all of these plural clauses, so what this means is that every plural clause, I can just leave it alone because there are multiple persons, right? So the only ones I need to deal with are those 4. Remember, there are 4. So I'm striking here is and instead circling are. I'm striking his and her, and I'm circling there. There are 2 more sections, so I'm striking he, she, and circling they, and I'm striking his, her, and circling there. So you do want to keep your circle around the word that you are intending to circle. That is my process for completing my acknowledgement. So on this optional section, I do always write the title or type of document. So when we come to our jurat, County of Los Angeles, 9th day of November, 2021. Jane Doe. If this were an independent, or I'm sorry, a singular signing, then what I'm gonna do is come down here to this clause. Prove to me on the basis of satisfactory evidence to be the person, and I'm striking that S. I'm also striking this extra space. No one is entering any additional information. I'm stamping, I'm signing. You'll find jurats on things like occupancy statements, compliance agreements, things like that. I have been noticing that the compliance agreements are coming with more acknowledgements and less jurats. So again, on this optional section, I am always writing the title of the document. You will not find one of my acknowledgements floating around with other shenanigans. We're not doing it. So that's it, guys. That's how I complete my acknowledgements and jurats as a notary signing agent. I am in the state of California, so do follow your state's rules individually. I get a lot of comments about what I'm supposed to do for my state. I don't know. You need to check in with your Secretary of State, do a little bit of legwork there, and make sure that you are completing the most important parts of your acknowledgements and jurats, such as singular versus multiple signers. Always, always, always write in that title of the document. It just protects you in the long run. If your acknowledgement is floating around, not indicated what document it is supposed to be attached to, that's a liability. So protect yourself at all costs. Let's be friends on TikTok and Instagram. Screenshot it. I hope this video was super helpful for you. If it was, consider subscribing, but just a little thumbs up is super helpful. You have no idea. So I really appreciate it, and we will talk business very soon. Bye.